This is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. It was an uptrend before, but after getting to this resistance, it was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend. Got to this support zone, was unable to go further, so it's having a pullback at the moment. Once it is done with the pullback, and if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will come back down to try out this support zone again to see if it will break out from there. So this is most likely to sell later on, but for now it is still buying until it is unable to go above the next resistance zone. Okay, so we should watch out for that and wait for the right signals, okay, before we jump into it. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, let's check it out. This is GainX 999, and of course these had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. Okay, you can see it kept on selling and selling, and it's almost at the support zone, and it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back into an uptrend, so we should watch out for that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. It started a downtrend from here, and it sold till it got to this very last part of the trend. Okay, so right from there, it's bought for a while, went back down again, and if it buys again and breaks out above this, then definitely it's going to go fully into an uptrend. Okay, so but if it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we expect it to buy right from there because it has got into the support zone. And if it's unable, I mean, if it breaks out below the support zone, then you should know that it will continue to sell. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, got into this resistance zone, has not been able to break out above it, so it's trying to pull back at the moment. If it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, it will go fully downtrend, but for now it is still a pullback, so it is still buying at the moment until it is ready to sell fully, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, so this is FX volume 80. It sold for a while, got to this region, and right from there it was unable to break out from here, so it went back on buy trend and had a pullback. Okay, so if it's unable to go below this support zone, then it will go into a buy trend fully. However, this is still selling, but we expect it to buy any moment from there. Okay, so we should take note of that. So all these are some of the things that we have for tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Thank